this is how we type mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. I'm again with another unboxing. You can see in front of me I have a coffee machine. This is ATMA Pro digital coffee machine. The box is quite big, professional. So let me show you what you have inside. So let's show the box to you. Here is the design of the machine, is right and the same thing. This side some paperwork we have, and this side more detail how you can use and all other stuff. So let's take this off this machine. Here we go. So let's take out. Here we have a manual. If you have time you can read this one. Then we have some protection, some plastic cushion. Then we have the machine directly in this case. So we'll take this up as this. Here we go, without dropping anything. And the cable is wrapped in one paper inside another plastic cushion. I will take this off from here. Okay, nothing special, a common cable. So here is the machine, let me show you. Here is one jar we have. So coffee when it's ready, it will drop here. Beautiful looking. You can see covered with the plastic. Wow, lovely jar. Put one side. One thing we didn't notice, there's a spoon inside. So here we go. Let's take, there's a spoon to take coffee and put inside. Lovely thinking here. And let's take this plastic off. At the button we have a power button, mini and other stuff, run light. Here you put this one and you hit the power button. I've connected the power source, this button. Finally I could take this off from here. Let's go what we have inside. We have a filter here. Put coffee in this. It goes as this. Put inside here. Let me show you closer. You see the filter and other things, how it is. Lovely. So this is unboxing of ATMA coffee machine. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.